Hey guys, this is Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we have a custom build. Right now we're running dual liquid cooler fans on it. It's got a Corsair H100i. This is the second edition that they released. It's got an RX580 on it. You got a terabyte NVMe and 2 solid state drive on it, so it's super fast built into the motherboard. Then you got 16 gigs of RAM. He also went with a wireless adapter, as you can see on top. You got a red color fan at the back of it, and then you got one more fan on top just to suck all the heat that's gonna come up from the fans up front. This is a custom build. It's a very high end. He's doing a lot of spreadsheets and all this video software onto the unit. So if you got any queries about this build or any other build, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.